Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will review on the topmost college under ComEdK, that is the Ramaiah Institute of Technology. So in this video, I will give you complete data about the Ramaiah Institute of Technology, what are the cutoff of the Ramaiah Institute of Technology, how can you get into this college, what are the facilities available in this college, and last thing, very important thing, that whether you should choose this college or not. So I will give you the complete data about the Ramaiah Institute of Technology. So make sure to watch the video completely. So before moving to the video, guys, if you are a new viewer to my channel, don't forget to support my channel for providing such important video, because such type of informational and educational video will be provided in this channel continuously. So keep supporting my channel. So let us move to our video without wasting our time. So as I have said that I will talk about the important review of the Ramaiah Institute of Technology. Okay. So first of all, let me give you in a brief that what is actually the Ramaiah Institute of Technology, means about the college. So Ramaiah Institute of Technology, a prominent college under ComEdK, and you can clearly visualize that recently it have ranked 67th in the engineering and 17th rank in India in architecture courses. So no doubt, guys, one of the topmost college, and placement so far is the 95%. So talking about the history of this, that this college was actually established by the MS Ramaiah in 1962, and one of the prominent college all over the India, okay, and most demanding college. So this is all about the college, okay. Now moving to next very important section, that how can you get into this college, okay, means admission procedure. So before telling you the admission procedure, okay, let me tell you that what are the programs that is offered by this college. So this college offer various UG and PG program, okay. So these are the undergraduate Bachelor of Engineering program, that is the civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, computer science engineering, most demanding branch, computer science and engineering in AI and ML, machine learning and artificial intelligence, computer science engineering, cyber security, chemical engineering, industrial engineering management, electronics and instrumentation engineering, information science engineering, or you can say IT, and electronics and communication engineering. So these are the topmost, or you can say the course offered by this college. Beside that, they have also offered biotechnology, medical electronics engineering, AI and machine learning, means separate AI and machine learning, and artificial intelligence and data science, means AI and data science. So these are the courses that is offered by this college, okay. Now talking about the eligibility. So what is the eligibility? I think that you are very well aware that you must be class 12 pass, and you have to give the ComEdK entrance examination, or you can say KEA or ComEdK. So you must give these exam to get into this college. So there are three options available in this college to get into this. First is the KE ComEdK, second the lateral entry, and third is the management quota. So you can get into this college from management quota too. So if you are interested in management quota, then you can also personally contact me. Okay, I will provide the necessary detail. Talking about the eligibility for BArch, so you can clearly visualize here for the BArch candidates who have passed 10+2 pattern examination equivalent to the 2-year pre-university in Karnataka. So you can get into this, and that is all about that, okay. Now eligibility criteria, moving to next very important section about the facilities. So what are the facilities available in this college, okay. So this college provides all basic facilities, have a hostel facility having means separate girls and boys hostels, internet center, CBM, library means wonderful digital library, as well as central library available. Besides that, there are some other facilities too available in this college, okay. So no doubt this is the marvelous college, having the drinking water facility, that is the basic facility, solar power facilities, parking facility, have a well maintained auditorium, board rooms, okay. In auditorium is also full occupied the AC room and all things, and have a canteen, common rooms, group medical insurance, student staff, okay, means have a all basic facilities available in this college. So this is all about the facilities and all things that, okay. Now moving to next very important section, that is the placement. So I've already said about the placement, that 95% placement. But what is about the company that visited, whether in this college company visited or not. So no doubt, guys, this college have a separate placement cell that completely focus on the placement of the students, means future of the students. So you can clearly visualize that so far 358 company visited, and 1892 means 1892 job offer so far, at highest salary so far offered is 50 LPA. So great and wonderful for a particular college, okay. Also you can clearly visualize that average salary so far offered is 7.66 LPA, again marvelous, and 95% placement overall. So this is all about the placement scenario of this college, okay. Talking about a little bit more about the company that visited. So what are the company that visited? So this college, in this college, variety of company visited, such as the Adobe, Flipkart, okay, sometime Microsoft also visited, TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, HCL. So lots of company visited in this college for the campus placement and all things. So no doubt guys, in context to placement and all things, this is one of the marvelous college. Okay, So that is all about the placement scenario of this college. Now talking about the very important things, that is the cutoff, because you know na guys, cutoff is very important. If you have not valid cutoff, then you can't get into this college. So I am showing you the cutoff for the GM in general merit and the general merit ruler, okay, and you can also visualize the other cutoff too. So talking about the GM or general merit rank, so for the BTech in computer science engineering, a great competition for that, 151 means for getting the CSC you have to be under the 717, means under 800 rank to get into this. So tough competition for the CSC, and for the IT 1153. Similarly for the GMR rank you can clearly visualize all that, okay. Talking for the GM general merit for the cyber security, so 1140, for electronics and communication engineering 22257 means 2257, for biotechnology, or you can say biotechnology 6131, for the electronics and communication engineering 2257. So let's बात करें about the chemical engineering. So for the chemical engineering you have to be under the 16,000 rank. So if you guys want to take chemical engineering, then you can go to other college besides that, okay, because chemical engineering not much more good in this college. Similarly for these are the all the cutoff you can clearly visualize for the all category, okay. I am showing you the cutoff of the next very important category, so you can clearly take the screenshot too. So this is the category for the GMR, SCs and 1G, okay. So this is all about the cutoff of this college, okay. Now moving to the last very important section about the scholarship. So whether in this college scholarship is available or not. So guys, this college provide the scholarship to the meritorious students. So if you have potential, if you have a josh, then you can clearly avail the facility of the scholarship, and no doubt guys, this is the wonderful college. So guys, this is all the video about that. I hope your all doubt regarding the Ramaiah Institute of Technology is clear. If you still have a doubt regarding anything about the cutoff, admission or anything, then you can ask any doubt on my Instagram or Telegram, whatever the platform you are comfortable with, okay, either your Facebook, WhatsApp group, whatever the platform you are comfortable with, you can ask your doubt, okay. So in this video, that's all about that. I hope video informative to you. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Make sure to support my channel for providing such important educational video. So till then, bye bye, meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.